The Department for Education in England have produced a model music curriculum. This is for use in primary and secondary schools. You might like to use some of these music files in your school assembly. Go to the Assembly Music section of our website. At the top of this section you can see the model music curriculum. Here you can read the government document or download a copy for yourself. The appendices are also here for your use. Again, you can download your own copy. Here are some of the music videos. Click on a link and you can go to the video and play it. You will hear the sound when you play it on your computer. The Appendix document contains lots of information for teachers, including a very large list of examples of music relevant for each curriculum year group. Some of these examples are in bold, as you can see here. We have extracted these bold documents into a Word document. These are known as the foundation files. Each title is also a hyperlink. You can download this document from the AssemblyTube website in the Download section. We have produced 3 different versions of the document. You can also use the document to record what you've done.